Hello class, so I welcome you to another interesting class in our Adobe Photoshop tutorial. And in this today class, I'm going to teach you guys how you can create a realistic good text in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get today's practical class started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make a new page size by click on the Home tab here, right click, and I'm clicking on a new document. Then I have to come here and I'm going to name the design golden effects. Then here I'm going to make it 1920 by 1080 pixels. Then the resolution is going to be 72. Okay, the color is going to be RGB. Then you come here and click on create. Alright, so I'm going to press Ctrl-. Then I have to come to the toolbar here and I'll select my rectangle. And from the Home tab here, I will change the color to dark black. And I will draw straight down like this. Alright, so with that, I'll have to come down below here. I'll make a new layer. And I'll come back to my toolbar here. I will select my type tool. Then I will come to the color palette here. I'll change the color to white. So let me type the vigor 55 and 255 here, also 255. 100% white. Then I click on OK. Now I'll come to the Home tab here and I'll change the font type. So I'm going to make use of this font right here. Then I will increase the font size to 72 for now. And I'll make a type gold. Then I'll press Ctrl-A to select every text, all the text. Then I will make use of this text slider to increase the font size. So until I'm satisfied with the size of the text. Okay, I'm selecting my move tool. I'll press Ctrl-T to make a select to highlight every to open the transform tool. Then I'll press Shift key and alternative key to drag just to make more expansion. So I need it to be more bold. I think I'm satisfied with this. Then I click on OK. Then I'll press Ctrl-A to select everything. Now I have to come to the Home tab here. I'll select alignment vertical center and then alignment horizontal center. Then I'll come to the select. I will choose the select. Now with this is the next thing I'm going to do is to start to apply my good effect one after the other. So before that, I have to come to the layer panel here. I will right click on the good layer. Then I will make a duplicate. Oh, sorry. Right click, duplicate. Then I can call this a gold effect. Then I'll click on OK. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to make the layer active. Then I'll come down below here. I'll choose layer style. From there I'll select blending option. Now from blending option right here, I'll make sure I choose gradient overlay. So I'm going to double click on the gradient overlay. Then I will select my gradients editor. I have to edit the gradient color. I will double click on this. Then I will make this 246, and I'll make this 238. Then I'll make this 173, and I'll click on OK. And I'll double click on this slider also. I will make the red 193, and I'll make the green 172, and I'll make the black 81, and I'll click on OK, and OK. Now before I select all, I have to come here and make sure I save this. So it has been saved right here, and click on OK, and then OK. So this is the first stage to our realistic gold effects in Adobe Photoshop. So the next step to take is to